Hey, what's happening, everybody? Ben here with Chesapeake RV Solutions, and check out our website, www.chesapeakervsolutions.com. Today I'm in this awesome new Coachmen Chaparral. This is the 381. This is a 5 slide out model, so I mean, you've got tons of room. This is a rear den, as you can see. 2 couches are tri-fold sofas, which is great if you want to bring guests. You can sleep up to 4 adults down here, assuming everybody likes each other, of course. And then you've got your heated and massaging Thomas Paine special edition recliners. So here's a look into the kitchen and dining area, residential fridge, residential microwave, enormous pantry. Love the bar stools for the countertop there. And then you've also got 2 additional bar stools here. So, you know, if you like to catch the weather or the news in the morning, eat your cereal right there and wake up right. Plenty of counter space, and you've even got an awesome little wine rack there. It's got the 2-drawer freezer, which is really cool. 2 ACs, auto leveling. This thing really does give you a lot of bang for the buck. Heading up into the bathroom, you've got the enormous shower there. And a lot of people really like that little bench seat, so you know, if you want to sit down and take a break because the shower is too rigorous. I'm kidding, of course, people. Alright, so stepping into the bedroom. Alright, so here's the deal with the Coachmen Chaparral. This is a mid-profile unit, so even though it's 41 foot 9 inches long, with a mid-profile you're going to get a lot less buffering. You got a shorter cap up front, but I am 6'1", and I can walk all the way till about a foot from the washer-dryer hookup before I even come close to touching my head. So guys, thanks so much for watching this really quick walkthrough. Just want to hit the high points. This is the 2019 Coachmen Chaparral 381 RD. Check out our website, www.chesapeakervsolutions.com. You can email me, ben@chesapeakervsolutions.com, and or you can call our phone number, 866-432-0222. Hope you have a great day.